I know I was hard on you. It wasn't because I hate you.
So vicious. Yeah.
Late enough for I guess, but I love you too, Dad.
You loves me.
Dad?
Erebus.
One man kills another man.
What are you doing?
I don't want to die with my sissy son who loves me. You gonna bring me roses because you love
Puppies. Ooh, look at that tail wag. That is a wagging tail.
T-Mobile asked America, what do you want from me?
An unlimited plan.
Chloe, what did that? What did that? What did that? Come on, come on. Get up there. Get up there. Come on. Come on. Come on.
America, you got it.
You got to start. Get down up there. Come on. Come on.
Starting at $49.99 on the nationwide 3G network. And now get a BlackBerry Bold for under $23 a month.
Get down up there. Come on. What's that? What's that, little brown bear?
Tons of people interested in all the money they can be saved by switching.
Where'd you get? Where'd you get? You go get that camera? Come on. Go get your camera.
Took me a morning, but I got this.
No, we don't chew the thing.
Brown bear sit.